busy. He was washing a painting. On one half, Paddington saw a picture of a boat. On the other half, Paddington saw what looked like a hat. Just you wait, said Mr. Gruber. There's more to come.
Hold on, don't change it. So what happened here? What happened in that page there?
So when Mr. Gruber was washing a painting, Paddington saw a boat on the other half, which was this half.
What? So he just washed it?
And
there was a painting behind it? Is that what happened?
I don't know.
But is that what they said?
No, they didn't say that.
What's it say down here?
It says, on one half, Paddington saw a picture of a boat.
Okay, and then what happened on the next page?
On the next page, on the other half, Paddington saw what looked like a hat.
So what does that mean? So half was what? Half was a boat and the other was what?
Probably because he had color on that, and probably he just mixed it up and turned it into a new painting.
I think he washed it. When he washed it, it seems like a new painting was behind that. So it created a new painting. Like there was one painted behind it. Keep going. Let's see what happens next. So look at these pictures here. So by just looking at the pictures, what do you think happens next?
So let's see.
No, don't read it. Look at the pictures.
Okay. So
look at the whole picture, right? So you see Paddington, you see Mr. Gruber, and you see the painting, and what's going on in that picture? What do you think? What do you think's happening there?
So I know that Mr. Gruber is using probably this bowl to probably change the paint up to this picture, probably. Something.
Okay. And in the next picture, what's going on in the next one?
So the next one, Paddington probably has to go somewhere or something.
Well, yeah, it looks like he's leaving. All right. It looks like. What's Mr. Gruber doing?
So he's just watching Paddington go.
Does he look like he's happy that he's leaving? Does he look sad, surprised? What do you think?
Looks surprised.
You think he looks surprised? All right. Okay. Let's read. Let's see what happens.
Okay. I've never seen a picture like this before, said Paddington. That's because one picture is hidden, wait, what does that say?
Try it. So try to sound the words out.
Under, and other, Mr. Gruber said. Paddington had a...
Sound out the letters.
Great.
Good. Try it. Say it. Sound out the letter.
Right,
if it's not I, it's the other I. So say the other. Idea.
Idea.
Okay, good.
Great idea. He hurried home as fast as his legs would carry him.
All right, so what did you say in the picture here? So you said he says he was leaving, right? Why was he leaving then?
Because he had a great idea.
Yeah, so he was leaving, you're right. So I wonder what do you think that great idea would be? Let's turn to the next page. Let's see.
Paddington looked for the picture Mr. Brown had been painting. He wondered if this one had another picture under it too.
So what do you mean? What does that mean?
So probably he was looking for a picture because he saw Mr. Gruber. He saw Mr. Gruber turning into a half. So probably what he's thinking that he can do it.
So what do you mean turning into a half? How did he get that other picture? What did Mr. Gruber do to the other picture that brought up another picture?
So he told Paddington that there's another picture hiding behind it.
And how did he find that out? What was he doing, remember? To the painting? Let's see, let's go back. What was he doing what's going on in that picture?
Oh, so what's going on here is... What's going on?
Oh, here it is right there. See? What was he doing? That's how
He
he
was
found.
washing
He was washing it, right? So what do you think? What's gonna happen now with
I think Paddington,
Paddington?
he's probably going to wash the painting.
All right, let's see. What's the next picture say? Oh, look. Yep, look at that. What's the picture showing?
Paddington began to clean the boats, and blue sky
Disappeared. That's a
disappeared.
big word. That's okay.
But there was nothing underneath.
Underneath. So what happened then? So
So Paddington thought that there was another picture hiding behind it, but then he got rid of everything.
there was no picture there?
There's no picture there. That's the wrong picture.
All right, say bye to my class.
Bye.